Multiply 1/7 times 1/6. Whenever you multiply two fractions together, you multiply the numerators, multiply the denominators. So multiply straight across the top. 1 times 1 is 1. Multiply straight across the bottom. 7 times 6 is 42. So our final answer is going to be 1 over 42. Multiply 3/8 times 7 over 9. When multiplying fractions, you multiply the numerators together and the denominators together. So multiply straight across the top. 3 times 7 is 21. And 8 times 9 multiplying across the bottom is 72. Now look at these numbers. I know that both of these numbers are divisible by 3. So I'm going to divide the numerator and the denominator by 3 in order to simplify this fraction. 21 divided by 3 is 7. 72 divided by 3, well, if you're not sure, there's nothing wrong with going off to the side and figuring that out. So 3 goes into 72 2 times. 2 times 3 is 6. Subtract. 7 minus 6 is 1. Drop down to 2. 3 goes into 12 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. 0 remainder. So 24 is going to be our denominator. So our final answer is 7 over 24.